In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a bumper impact absorber on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a T25 bit, remove the 3 screws off the front apron. We're looking up at the bottom of the bumper on the corner. We're going to use a T25 bit and we're going to remove the 3 screws. Do the same thing on the other side. We have one more right here in the middle. Going through the wheel well, looking up at the corner of the bumper, we're going to have a T25 screw. Go ahead and remove that screw. Down from there, we have 2 more. Go ahead and remove those. Do the same thing on the other side. Grab the grill, and we're going to pull it forward. You'll feel the snap in the middle pull up. And you're going to take your hand and go right on the corner of this grill. And you're going to pop it out. Do the same thing on the other side and remove the grill piece. To remove the front bumper, we need to push on all of these tabs and pull straight forward. Using a pick tool or something similar, just push on the tabs and pull out on the bumper as you go down the line. Pull out on the corner of the bumper. Go do the same thing on the other side. Remove the bumper from the vehicle. We're going to push on the back of this tab right here and pull down. Remove the bracket from the front bumper. Remove the foam around the impact absorber. Pull straight out. Using a T30 bit, remove the 2 screws. There's one on bottom and one on top. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a 17mm socket, I'm going to go around and loosen all of the bolts. Loosen and remove all 4 bolts. I'm going to leave 1 bolt in, just a few threads to hold this on. We'll go to the other side and do the same thing. Using a T30 bit, remove the 3 screws for the grill trim. Do the same thing on the other side. Lift up and out and remove the trim piece. Using a T30 bit, remove the 2 middle bolts. After you remove this next bolt, have a hand on the bumper. Remove the 1 bolt that we had started. And remove the bumper impact absorber. Install the bumper impact absorber. Get a bolt started on either side, just a few threads, just so it'll hold it there for us. Go around and get all of the bolts installed. Get all the bolts started. Do the same thing on the other side. Go around and snug them down. Do the same thing on the other side. Get the 2 bolts through the side of the radiator support started. Snug the bolts down. Get them nice and snug. Do the same thing on the other side. Torque the bumper impact absorber bolts to 60 Newton meters. We're going to do this in a cross pattern. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the 2 middle screws. Get them nice and snug. Install the grille trim. Tuck it under the headlights. Install the 3 screws. There's one in the middle. And then one on each outside. Get these nice and snug. Install the foam. Slide it all the way on. Slide the bracket onto the bumper. Install the bumper into place. I'm going to clip it into the middle on all of the clips. Pull the bumper up and over the headlight. Pull the corner over into place. Go repeat this same process on the other side. Pull the bumper over into place. Install the screw up through the bottom. Install the 2 screws through the fender liner. Install the screws up through the bumper. Get them nice and snug. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the middle screw, get it nice and tight. Install the grille into place. We have to slide that front in and it'll clip into place. Pull it back and get all of these top tabs installed under that air dam. Go down the front, locking everything into place. Install the 3 top bolts. Get them nice and snug. And we have one more on the other corner. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.